Today I'll be sharing one of the profitable strategies of which you could use to win more money on Betway. So we'll be focusing on the Sweden Division 2 League, which is the league that works using this profitable strategy. So we'll be making an example with these two teams, which is the Hoggerverks DK and the FBK Balkan. Let's check the team stats. We can see that the team has played 3 matches. Checking the match of which they played on April 8, 2024, you can see that Balkan scored 4 goals and the method didn't work. But let's check the next match, which was on June 30, 2024, which you can see that the method of which we're going to share of the both teams to score has been working here. And checking on the May 11th, 2025, we can see that the both teams to score has been working because both teams scored 2 goals and the method works. One thing of which you could do to reduce your risk of losing your money, you could go to Betway and go to the Sweden League Division 2 and search for the teams of which you think they could make more money for you, and click on this cycle of which you see here. Then that's when you'll swipe a little bit down and you'll see the the both team to score, which will show you the probabilities that the teams could make that method to work are. So on the examples of being given you the teams, you can see that here it's 83% and on the other teams 83%, which has a high probability of that strategy to work. So if you want to bet on it, it could work because you can see that the percentage is over 50%, whereby you have a high chance to win your bet. One thing I like about this method is it has high odds, it has good odds. You can see that here it's 1.38, which if you just pull 3 teams, you could have more than 2 odds. Always note that when you bet, you should make sure that your odds are more than 2 so that you can make the money of which you did bet with, which is called profit. And you could use this method again and again to make more money. See you in the next video and click the subscribe button. If you want to learn about more ways to make money on Betway, you could watch the playlist.